Okay, here is what I need help with. I'm recording the latitude and longitude various points along an interstate called I-75 at the moment. And if you want to help me build a database of points of latitude and longitude for various interstates throughout the contiguous 48 states of the United States, then give me a shout. Now here is an example of what I'm doing. I'm just trying to follow this interstate right here, and whenever there's a bend in the road, then I'll just zoom into that bend and I'll click somewhere in the middle between the northbound and the southbound lanes, and then I'll come down here and I'll grab the latitude and longitude. I'll copy it, I'll paste it in a text file, save it, and then I'll go back to Google Maps, zoom out, and I'll follow the road as it goes up into the next bend. So about right here is where the next bend is. Just approximation. It's not science, rocket science, you know. Grab it, copy it, paste it in there, save, zoom out. As long as the road is going straight, that's relatively straight, going all the way up. Here's the next bend right here. Grab this one. Copy it. Paste it. Save. There's the next bend right there. Copy the latitude and longitude. Paste. Save. Let's do one more, maybe give you an idea. Okay, see, there's the next bend right here. Zoom in. Save. I started grabbing all of the latitude and longitude of Interstate I-75 all the way from where it first started down here in Miami. See, I'll show you, for example, if I go back to my text file, copy and paste the first latitude and longitude in the Google Maps. Do a search for it. You'll see that it zooms in right here in Miami, where I-75 first starts. And I literally went from this point all the way up I-75, following it, recording the latitude and longitude of all of the bends in the road, all the way up on 75 as it goes from the bottom of Florida all the way up into this area right now. That's where I'm at, is somewhere up around in this area in the upper part of Florida. And I'm going to continue to record the latitude and longitude all of I-75 all the way up through Georgia, through Atlanta, through Chattanooga, up into Knoxville, through Cincinnati, keep following it up all the way up in Toledo, Ohio, as it goes through Detroit, Michigan, all the way up into the top of Michigan. Until it hits the Canadian border. So that would be the entire length of Interstate 75 as it goes from south to north. So it's going to take me a long time, and as you can see in my list, I have so far recorded how many points? Only 129 points along I-75 so far, and I'm still down in Florida. So I got a long ways to go. Now I need help to do this for every interstate in the contiguous 48 states. So if you guys want to help me collect all of these points of latitude and longitude, I'm going to add them to my map that I have. What is the map that I have? It is, let me see if I can find my own program. I put it at. See, this is the map that I'm making. I tried to do a recording as I was driving, but it didn't come out very well. Going from Florida, from the Ocala area, up through Atlanta, Nashville, Tennessee. That was recording information as I was driving down the road, but the information is not very accurate. So I'm trying to get a better representation of the interstates as they go along. I did some interstates before using zip code information, but it's not very accurate. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. So if you guys want to give me a hand, I sure would appreciate it.